Hi Jamie, how are you doing?
Yeah, really good, really good.
Jamie, you just attended the one-day workshop. Just tell us a little bit about your background first of all.
Well, I'm a PT of getting on for 15 years now. Did a sports science degree, trained with Premier way back when, but was seriously lacking the business support having graduated. And for 15 odd years I've been hammering and forging, trying to make the business work. And coming to see you today and seeing this program unfolding has been invaluable, because I could see packaging up personal training as a product to sell to clients. It's fantastic, really good.
And what's the main thing you think you've got from today, then, having sort of seen it all joined together? What's the main thing you've seen that you take away?
It's actually seeing how you can bundle up personal training into a product that you can sell to clients, rather than the old redundant model of charging 35 quid, come in for an hour, 35 quid, and just try and drag that out for as long as you can. It's actually got a time to it. You can say to a client, this is how long it's going to take, this is the process. You can fold it out onto the table and say, this is what we're going to be following, and give it a value, and it's invaluable, really good.
And what would you say to a trainer who's looking at this? Maybe they're new to the business, or they're well established, and they're sat on the fence thinking, well, I kind of know PT business. What would you say to them?
If you don't come and do something like this, I guarantee that you're going to spend, 10 or 15 years trying to do it, getting small ideas and thinking, yeah, I'll try that. If you don't come to something like this, if you don't see it folded out in front of you, you're going to try, but I guarantee that you'll keep slipping up. Just try and think about it in terms of personal training. If your clients try and do it on their own, why do they keep slipping up? Because they don't get that advice. It's exactly the same for us. Coming here just shows it all unfold. It's brilliant.
Fantastic. Thank you.